Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn on iMessage, Apple ID, and phone number setup step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap Apps if you see it. Then find and tap Messages. If you do not see apps, scroll and tap Messages directly. Turn on the iMessage switch and wait a few seconds for activation to begin. If a pop-up asks about carrier SMS charges, tap OK to continue. Stay on this screen and allow up to a few minutes for iMessage to activate. If iMessage does not activate, confirm that your date and time is set automatically in Settings. Go back to Settings, tap your name at the top, and open Sign In and Security. Sign in with your Apple ID if you are not signed in already. Return to Settings. Open Messages again, and tap Send and Receive. Under You can receive iMessages to and reply from. Tap your phone number to enable it. If your phone number is not listed, make sure your SIM is active and you have cellular signal. Under You can also use. Tap your Apple ID and choose Sign In if prompted. Select your Apple ID email address as an additional reachable address if you want. Under Start New Conversations from, choose either your phone number or your Apple ID email. If you want iMessage to use your phone number by default, select your phone number there. If activation is stuck, toggle iMessage off, wait 10 seconds, and toggle it back on. If it still fails, restart your iPhone and try again. Check that you can send and receive regular SMS text messages, because iMessage activation may require it. If you use two SIMs, verify the correct line is set for messages in cellular settings. Go to Settings, tap Cellular, and confirm the line you want is turned on. If you recently changed phones, you may need to disable iMessage on the old device first. To confirm everything works, open the Messages app and start a new message. Type a contact who uses iMessage and look for the blue Send button. Send a test message and confirm it shows as blue, which indicates iMessage is active. If messages are green, recheck Send and Receive in your internet connection. Once it is working, you can customize options like read receipts and message filtering in Messages settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.